How to sharpen a dull pair of garden shears, or loppers, what we call them where I'm from. First, you want to find a secure way to hold it. I like to put mine in a vise like one you see behind me. Next, get a small file like this fine tooth file I have here in my hands. Hold the file at a 45-degree angle and work it up and down the blade. Notice how I'm using two hands here. Control of the file means everything. It's not about how fast you can do it, it's how sharp you can make it. By holding with two hands, I have complete control. As I'm working up and down the blade, you can already see what one pass is already doing. You can see how sharp that bad boy is getting. After you get one side completely done, go ahead and flip your loppers over and do the same thing on the other side, except this time you're going to hold your file at a 60-degree angle. You want it a little more extreme. Do the same thing, work it up and down the blade. You'd be shocked how laser sharp this thing's getting. I can't say enough good things about these little fine-tooth files. They come in handy for all sorts of stuff. It's one of those things, if you don't have one, you need one. Check out the description. I'll post a link to these files, and they're great for everything. Because, in life, it's all about working smarter, not harder. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. And if you have a question, leave me a comment.